What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Zaharoff has finally released their Privé collection. The collection was named Basileus. The first ever Privé fragrance is called Precious Treasure. Now, if you are a fan of the Lord of the Rings movie or TV series, you know where this is going.
My precious.
I had to say it. Let's go ahead and unbox. And before you even proceed, I just want to tell you something. This is not a sponsored content. And the second thing you want to know is I will be doing this particular fragrance review in 3 steps, 3 phases. So the first phase is I'm going to unbox this baby and I'm going to show you what's inside. And the next one will be my first impression. And of course, after that, once I've done several full wearings, I will be giving you my honest verdict about Precious Treasure. So let's not delay. Let's get cracking. And if this is the first time you're visiting my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. Now, anybody who is not familiar with the brand of Zaharoff, I mean, you really gotta visit and experience their fragrances, like seriously. Also, as part of the Basileus collection, the packaging, the outer packaging, the shipping box is totally different as opposed to the generic white boxes that the signature collection was shipped out. This is something very nice and thoughtful. George, I can already see the amount of work you've put in together. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby. So in the generic white boxes, I did not see something like this. So this is something very new and it looks extremely premium. Now, of course, we all know this is a precious thing. So as promised, I will be using my white gloves. These are cotton gloves, because this is a royal kind of fragrance and I need to give this fragrance a royal white glove unboxing. Let's go ahead and take it out. Okay, the box is already very heavy. And also look at the symbol inside. Wow. I mean, I'm really gonna preserve this box. Like, first of all, this is like a Zaharoff Privé first release, and this fragrance, Precious Treasure, this particular release, the first ever release, was limited to only 500 pieces. So only 500 pieces of this wooden box presentation will be ever produced, and I guess they are already out of stock on their website, so all 500 is gone. I got number 102. So let's go ahead, let's check inside. Guys, I'm really sorry if this is taking a bit of time, but of course, this is something really special, and of course, we need to be patient. This is the outer box. Just look at this. Glossy paper with that spot lamination and stuff. Wow. I mean, George. Wow. The amount of work and thoughtful design and presentation. This is phenomenal. 102. So I got 102 out of 500. Okay. So, okay, this is a magnetic box. Wow. Very premium, like it's super nice. Now, of course, this is a booklet of George and his fragrance journey in the process of making Precious Treasure. So there's a story behind it. There's a lot going on. I will tell you all about it during my full review. I'm not going to take too much time, but just know that a lot of work went inside it. And just look at this finish. Wow. Glossy and premium, like even with this cotton gloves. Through the cotton gloves, I can feel the premium vibe from it. Wow. Excellent. The box is wrapped in cloth. How about that? So I'm gonna take this out. Beautiful. Like, just look at this finishing. Wonderful finishing. put it on the side. So of course there could be spots, and the reason is because these are all handmade boxes. There's copper wire, there's polished and like oiled up wood inside, so of course expect some kind of spots. And of course, like inside the box there's a hinge over there, so of course this piece of cloth, it rubbed against the box inside, so it kind of got that little stain, but that's okay. But just look at this royal presentation. Like, wow. Oh my god. So of course, to preserve this box, you have this beautiful soft cloth pouch with the Zaharoff logo and mentioning the collection name, Basileus Collection. Wow. Just wow. On top of that, I'll just put it to the side. Look at this box. These are all copper wire that's hammered into the box, custom handmade. Wow. I mean, I'm speechless. I have like really nice fragrances from Arabian Oud, Zaharoff, Fragrance de Bois, but this is otherworldly. And underneath, you see that's 102 out of 500. Take a look at that. Wow. A true limited edition experience. My god. And in case if this is the first time you're looking at a Zaharoff product, I'm gonna show you two different boxes. This is a 4-ounce box and this is a 2-ounce box. This is the signature collection, and these are the boxes. I'm gonna put them side by side so that you get an idea of the Privé as compared to their regular signature lineup. And in case you're wondering about the bottles, so that's the bottle. That's a 60 ml bottle, a 2-ounce bottle, and that's a 4-ounce bottle, 120 ml size. Wow. I mean, even the regular signature lineup is already superb, but this is something else. Wow. So let's go ahead and open this. So it opens up really nice. Just look at this little metal hardware right there. Beautiful. Wow. Wow. So once you open this, so there's soft cloth. Wow. My god. So it's kind of like velvet in there. Absolutely royal stuff. And the bottle comes nicely wrapped in this beautiful soft material, and inside, as I can see, they give you like a cleaning cloth. So it's like one of those lint-free cloths that you get with your maybe your shades, sunglasses, your spectacles, and you can wipe them. So this is to clean up this bottle. And look at this bottle. Oh my god. So that's, I think this is Zaharoff written in Byzantine Greek language, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, George, if you're watching this. Wow. My God. Oh my God. This is otherworldly. So I'm going to hold the other 4-ounce bottle. So that is the amount of difference you get from the Privé compared to the regular signature lineup. Just look at all that. Wow. Wonderful stuff. My God. This is something else. And if you can see, there's some text over there. My God. George, you really have outdone yourself. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Like, anybody who has missed this fragrance, this first release, you really missed a big deal, I must say. Like, I know it was priced at $295 each, but this, with this amount of presentation, a custom wooden box that's handmade, custom made, and just look at all the details. Just Look at all the details. My goodness. I can't believe my eyes. Like, this is truly incredible. Truly incredible. And especially with the hardware right here. So I must say one thing, like, I'm a skeptic when it comes to this kind of things. I was really skeptical about this particular piece of hardware. I was thinking, like, maybe what if George really made a cheap decision and he went with the cheap stuff? But this, by no means, it's not cheap. It opens up real smooth. It's not even like flimsy or anything. Like, it's real smooth. My God, George, respect, man, respect. And any Z-heads, Z-heads, whatever you call us, my God, I mean, anybody who's gotten this release, you've just made the best decision of your life. So guys, I'm not gonna do any further talking. This was Zaharoff's brand new Privé release. It's from the collection called Basileus Collection, and this is their first Privé release. It's called Precious Treasure. I mean, just tell me, just looking at all these things, I gotta say,
My precious.
I had to say it again. So guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, I humbly ask you to do so. If you are not already, do hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these, and do watch my first impression video because I really wanted to do it in 3 phases. This is a special release. I wanted it to be done in 3 phases. So this is phase 1. This is only the unboxing. So guys, make sure you stay tuned for the first impression of Precious Treasure, the first ever Basileus collection, the Privé collection from the brand of Zaharoff. So until the next one, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.